What's up, all you crazy box break and card collecting football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com coming in halftime, 9:56 Eastern, 8:56 Central here in Wisconsin. Two breaks for you tonight, but first two bad break drawings for last night's breaks, giving away a $10 and a $25 promo code. We'll do the $10 first. Here we go, 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. And our first winner is Brian. And now the $25 promo code. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the winner is Alan. Now we'll start off tonight with the 2-box football break. We'll randomize it 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And paste those results against the list of teams in alphabetical order. And we'll start with the new Gridiron Kings. Alright, good luck everybody. We'll skip through the base cards. Paul Posluszny, Mean Joe Green, and a Matt Jones rookie. Rob Gronkowski, Larry Fitzgerald, and a rookie autograph for the Dolphins, J.E. Dolphins going to Joshua W. 54 out of 99. Arian Foster, Johnny Manziel, and a Marcus Golden rookie. Brett Favre, Paul Hornung, and Preston Smith. Antonio Brown, Deion Sanders, and Brashad Perriman. Charles Woodson, Jim Kelly, and a rookie dual patch, or one rookie, one veteran, Andre Ellington, and David Johnson. Cardinals going to Jerry, 173 out of 249. Brandon Marshall, Roger Staubach, and a Justin Hardy rookie. Marquise Lee, Clay Matthews, Duke Johnson, Troy Aikman, and Peyton Manning. Kelvin Benjamin, Steve Largent, and Shaq Thompson. Tom Brady, Jim Kelly, and Clive Walford. Demarius Thomas, Eddie Lacy, and Bud Dupree. Joyce Bell, Nick O'Leary, and Brett Hundley. And that'll do it for the Gridiron Kings. Now, Inception. Phillip Rivers, Peyton Manning, 105 out of 125. Going to Joshua, Matt Ryan, 2 out of 99. Going to Ashley, on card rookie auto for the Jags, TJ Yeldon, 72 out of 99. Going to Ashley. Another one for you, Ashley. Tevin Coleman, rookie auto 3-color patch, 12 out of 25. And another one for you, Justin Hardy, rookie jumbo patch. First one made, 1 out of 50. And that will do it for the 2-box break. Now we have the single box of the Gridiron Kings. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And here's the roster for the Gridiron Kings. All right, good luck. We'll skip through the base. Carlos Hyde, Jameis Winston, and Amir Abdullah, rookie for the Lions. Keenan Allen, Kelvin Johnson, and Jamison Crowder. Luke Kuechly, Barry Sanders, and Carlos Williams. Demaryius Thomas, Leonard Williams, and Stephon Anthony. Paul Posluszny, Larry Fitzgerald, Nate Orchard. Mike Wallace, Sammy Watkins, and a rookie auto for the Seahawks, Tyler Lockett. Seahawks going to Gary, numbered 22 out of 125. Jeremy Maclin, Andrew Luck, and Bryce Petty. Steve Largent, Tim Brown, Dorial Green Beckham. Mike Evans, Deion Sanders, and a rookie jumbo patch for the Colts, Philip Dorsett. Colts going to Gerald, 67 out of 249. DeAndre Hopkins. Taylor Gabriel, Jacoby Jones, and Shane Ray. Ryan Tannehill, Peyton Manning, and Buck Allen. Matthew Stafford, Earl Campbell, and Shane Ray. And that'll do it for tonight's breaks. We're back at it tomorrow with some National Treasures football. Always a fun one. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.